We're making chia seed eggs. We're just going to show you a way to make a substitute for those that have, like lots of children today have egg allergies and adults have egg allergies. So this is a healthier way to make eggs and to add to your cakes and your loaves. But it's full of nutrition, isn't it? It's got omega-3s. But I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. You can use the seed whole, and this is what it looks like. If you use the seed whole, it looks like this once you've added the water. So it's all sticky, like an egg. It's going to bind things together for you. And otherwise, I grind it, and this is what it looks like if you grind it. It's a bit finer. And so we're going to grind it and show you how to do it on the spot. How about you grind it? This is just a coffee grinder, or if you've got one of those mixers that grind. Thank you, that's good. And can you put it in here for me? All of it, tip it over, all in. Thank you. And so I've got 2, because I need to substitute 2 eggs. I've got 2 spoons of chia seed. And now I'm going to add the water. Go on. No, you've got to put the water in here. So 2, 3. Yeah, you go. 4. We've got to do 5, 6. And that substitutes 2 just medium-sized eggs. If you want to make substitute for large ones, just add another 2 tablespoons of water, and there you have it, your chia seed egg. Do you want to add some more?
Yeah.
Let's put some more. 1, 2 for our large egg. Yay! And there you have it. Omega-3, fibre, instead of eggs, it does the job.